What's up guys, FPS Tech Studios here and welcome to our very first build log video. It is an AM3 Plus build, so we have an AM3 Plus processor. We picked the AMD 8320.
8 cores.
8 cores, and it is a base clock of 3.5 gigahertz, but we easily overclocked it to 4.0 gigahertz with the water cooling we'll talk about later.
To go along with that 8-core monster processor, we have the 990 FXA gaming motherboard from MSI with USB 3.1 at 10 gigabyte per second. And a whole lot of USB 2.0 for all of your peripheral needs.
For RAM, we selected a set of 4x4 16GB DDR3 1600 MHz HyperX RAM with the red and black matching our color scheme perfectly and not compromising any performance along the way. Looks good and works even better. What more could you ask for?
Driving the graphics behind that 8320 processor, we have the GeForce GTX 970 from Asus, Strix Edition, overclocked, direct copper heat pipes. So this thing will not bottleneck nor be bottlenecked by that 8320. To power this 8-core monster, we have selected the AX760i power supply from Corsair. Fully modular, obviously 760 watts, and an 80 plus platinum efficiency. Once again, going along with our red and black color scheme.
And to cool all of those cores, we picked the Corsair H100i V2, 240mm rad with RGB lighting on the block. How awesome is that?
To go along with that RGB water block, you also get Corsair Link, a software that lets you monitor all kinds of different hardware information going on inside your rig.
Housing this PC will be the beautiful Corsair SPEC Alpha case. To go along with that striking angular design, it has 2 USB 3.0 ports, a 3-speed fan controller, and a giant window on the side to show off all of that horsepower.
To house your entire Steam library of 6 billion games, we chose the Seagate 2 terabyte hard drive because 2 terabytes, why not? And a Samsung 750 EVO, 250 gigabytes of storage for your operating system, frequently used programs, and those games that you want to load ultra fast into.
Now let's see how we put this bad boy together.
Let's do it. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you dislike it, give us a thumbs down, because I guess you just like to watch the world burn, huh? But anyway, subscribe for future content.